everyone. So welcome back. So today I am going to walk you through an exciting AI use case, how to build a generative ad copy systems using generative AI. We will, if you imagine working with an Amazon Black Friday sale event, and our goal is to build an app that automatically generates high converting ads copies with different customer segments. So I will explain you full project or objective, how it works, and the input and the AI model design to how the output look like. And so without waste time, I can start. We can go to the guide and the project. So watch till the end. So let's start the overview of the project. So I divided it into 8 steps. So our project have 8 steps. First step will be user input, and second step we have segment logic basically. So in that we have created personas, and third we have prompting. So fourth we have LLM API call. So current case we are using Claude model, and fifth step we have extracting JSON from LLM output, and sixth we have calculate quality evaluating output we are getting. Seventh we have displaying the output in Streamlit UI, and at last we are just downloading the final CSV of ads copy. So let's start. I am just running my use case code. So this is my code. So if you see here, it's purely worked with Streamlit. So here I just required library that I just imported. If you see have a textstat, so it's nothing but it's an library for text readability analysis, and we have a textblob. So it's a simple NLP library used for text processing, and with that textblob we also do semantic analysis, tokenization, parts of speech, and we can improve our sentence. So I'm running this use case. Let's see. So it's running in Streamlit UI. So this is our Streamlit UI. Here basically we have different types of parameters we can select. So I just select CA, which gender you want. So I'm looking for female, for example, and which age group you are looking for, and what product category you are looking for. So I just type coffee. So I just take from here. We have different types of product deals and all. I just take this coffee maker. You can take any. And for Black Friday, how percentage much you want off. So I just click on generate H copy. It's called our ML model. Like I'm using Claude, and it's running the prompt. So this is the output we are getting, top 3 ads. So here if you see we have this ads and its platform and this matrices. This matrices basically nothing but coming from that libraries we have imported. So this is a UI we have. We also downloaded the CSV. So this downloaded the CSV also. So let's see how CSV look like. So this is CSV we have. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.